Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the TGT vacancy that has come from the government of Puducherry or UT of India, that is Puducherry. And this vacancy vacancy going to be filled by the native of Puducherry. So this video going to be beneficial for the native of Puducherry. We can see here trained graduate teacher in Tamil, Malayalam, Arabic, Telugu or Hindi are required, and salary will be of level 7th as per the 7th CPC, and this job going to be a central government job. Here we can see that the number of vacancy and category wise distribution. Tamil having the 5 vacancy and Malayalam having also 5 vacancy, Arabic having also 5 vacancy, Telugu having 2 vacancy, Hindi having 22 plus 1 vacancy, and these are the distribution as per the category given here. You can see this by visiting the website, or you can follow the link given in the video description of this advertisement. And now see the essential qualification for all these posts. Here bachelor degree, we are saying that bachelor degree in respective subject or language from any recognized university as per the following provisions: Tamil, Malayalam, Arabic, Telugu and Hindi bachelor degree with main subject in the respective language. And beside this, candidate must have B.Ed or B.T. from any recognized university, and candidate should also have studied the particular regional language like Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam as one of the subject in their secondary education. Fourth point saying that candidate must have been qualified the Tamil Nadu TET, Kerala TET, Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh TET or central government TET with given percentile or percentage. And the age limit for these posts going to be 30 years for general category, and relaxation will be given to the category candidate. We can see here OBC or MBC, SC candidate also getting the benefit of relaxation in their maximum age limit. And here saying that nativity and residence certificate, those who are native of Union Territory or resident of Puducherry by continuous resident in the UT for 5 years, and certificate must be published at least from Deputy Tahsildar to claim their nativity, and community certificate also required. And after visiting you can apply online, and then you have to send the hard copy to the given address either by in hand or by registered post. And mode of recruitment going to be consider the marks. There shall be 100 marks for selection, giving the weightage to secure the academic qualification and employment exchange registration seniority as detailed below. 70% weightage given to the bachelor degree and B.Ed, and 20% weightage given to TET or Tamil Nadu TET or Kerala TET respectively. Either one of them must be qualified by the candidate, and 10% weightage going to be given to the employment exchange seniority of teacher eligibility test second paper. So here are other instruction given also. And how to apply, you must visit the website in order to apply online, and then you have to send the hard copy at this given address, the Directorate of School Education, Puducherry. And there is no mention about the fee regarding this application form, so there is exemptions for all candidates regarding the fee for application. If we talk about the last date for online submission of the form is 23rd February 2024 till evening 5:45 p.m.